Guys, Ginger here. Today I'm opening hockey cards because I got nothing better to do during quarantine, and it's Artifacts. So this video is gonna be super quick because Artifacts is absolutely terrible. I was going through hockey cards I bought in the fall before this whole pandemic happened, and for some reason I bought a box of Artifacts. I have no idea why I bought Artifacts out of all things, because Artifacts is like the worst product there is. You got no chance of getting anything good. So this video is gonna be super freaking quick. So I just get it over with. And I do have a box of Allure, which we'll be opening in the next video next week, so that'll be good. I'm back to uploading weekly videos, guys, so that's good. No more random, So I'm officially back to making videos, guys, so that's great. A video once a week, that's a guarantee now. So, look at these packs. There's going to be nothing in here, but that's alright. And I get a Snapchat notification. Interesting packs. Of course, Connor McDavid is on there. Mitch Marner, Jake DeBrusk, Tape to your friend, Roman Josi, and Philip Forsberg. Couldn't care less. I bet you guys don't care either. You guys are probably going to be excited for Allure, though. Bergeron, Chen, Giordano, Braden Point, Ilya Kovalchuk. Devin Dubnyk, Renstrom, Gallagher, Nylander, and John Cross. I don't even know. Why did I buy this? This is absolutely terrible. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Better be something interesting in here. Franz Nielsen, Chris Letang. Oh, wow, guys, look. It's an insert of Doug Gilmour. Look at that, guys. Isn't that incredible? It's amazing, guys. The only good card I'll get. Renee and Josh Bailey. Why am I whispering? I have no idea. I should be louder because this is an amazing box, guys. Andres Antanasio, Shabbat, Corder, Hall, and Giroux. Dougie Hamilton, Alex Tuck, Ryan Hopkins, Lee Erickson, and General Nurse. Last pack, guys. What's gonna be in there? Is it? It's absolutely nothing. Yay. This is absolute trash. I don't know why I wasted money buying this product, guys. These cards are terrible. They're absolutely terrible. Do not buy them.